Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Captains. In this video, I will explain how to play the New Orleans in World of Warships. This American heavy cruiser is a versatile vessel, offering a good balance of firepower, protection, and speed. It's equipped with 9 powerful 203mm guns, making it a formidable opponent. Understanding its unique characteristics is key to maximizing its potential on the high seas. Let's dive into how to master this ship. The New Orleans truly shines with its main battery. Its 9 203mm guns deliver impressive damage, particularly with its unique armor-piercing shells, which have a reduced ricochet chance. While its armor is reinforced compared to the Pensacola, it's crucial to angle your ship to bounce incoming cruiser shells. Be mindful, though, as battleship armor-piercing can still penetrate your citadel for devastating damage. Utilize its excellent concealment to get into advantageous positions. To get the most out of your New Orleans, selecting the right consumables and upgrades is vital. You'll always have damage control party for critical repairs. For your second slot, choose between defensive anti-air fire for carrier heavy matches or hydrocaustic search for spotting torpedoes and ships in smoke. A catapult fighter provides extra spotting. For upgrades, Aiming Systems Modification 1 is excellent for gun accuracy. Propulsion Modification 1 improves acceleration, and Concealment System Modification 1 reduces your detection range, making you harder to spot. Playing the New Orleans effectively requires smart positioning. In the early stages of a battle, stick with your team and use islands as cover to protect your vulnerable broadside from battleship fire. As the game progresses and enemy numbers thin, you can become more aggressive. Use your good concealment to hunt down enemy destroyers or ambush isolated cruisers. Remember to constantly adjust your angle to bounce shells and maximize your armor's effectiveness, ensuring you stay in the fight longer and contribute significantly to your team's victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.